This is the Arrowhead brass PK9004 stem assembly. Now this stem is from a 490 series horizontal or vertical faucet. The stem will come complete with the nylon washer, the brass square, and then the rubber seat washer and the Phillips head screw to secure that washer. Now when measuring the stem, just like any other, we want to measure total length. So right at the end of the splines where the handle connects, all the way down to the head of that Phillips head screw. The best way we have found to measure it is just to hook or tape to the head of that screw and measure all the way down to the end of the splines. If I can get it in the camera. That's going to measure right at about 7 1/4 inches. And once again, this is the Arrowhead brass PK9004 stem assembly.